On February 11th, 2025, officers with the Orlando Police Department responded to a retail theft incident at a Target store involving a father and son from Romania. According to the investigation, the duo allegedly used a method known as skip scanning, intentionally failing to scan multiple items at self-checkout while bagging them as if they had been paid for. Store employees quickly caught on, and loss prevention stepped in after noticing suspicious activity at the register. By the time officers arrived, the total value of the unpaid merchandise had exceeded $300. What may have seemed like a quick way to beat the system ultimately led to both individuals being detained and arrested.
What's up, man? What y'all got today?
So basically, what I was telling you is obviously it's a huge dollar amount of stuff that they went to self-checkout.
Okay.
Skipped. So they only paid $47, and they skipped about almost $400.
$400?
$400, yeah. So about $377, what, 81?
Yeah, I'll show you this.
That's a lot. They told me they only shop up in St. Louis, but I see other transactions in Florida recently. So
total $377 for you.
Okay.
here's the one. But don't think it's the first. Should I find their entrance real quick, Paul? Like 209.
The what?
Their entrance on GM. They said they spoke Italian. They speak Italian, and I guess they're from Romania, so Italian Romanian. They can understand a little bit of Spanish though.
No English?
Yeah, a little.
A little bit. Okay. And do you have ID or anything?
I have a picture. I don't have to.
Picture? Can I see the picture?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you, 1-3. I'm 10-7. Have a good afternoon.
You're good, thank you.
You sure?
Yeah, well, you're good.
You speak Spanish?
Drag glasses.
They might want to wait, actually.
Oh, that's fine. No, I was just seeing at what time I came in.
Good.
Romero's.
How old are you?
18.
19?
18.
Dad and son skip
Yeah, it's
items
pretty much
as over
37 bucks for $400.
370.
377.
377.
Where are you guys from?
Romania.
Romania. Okay.
They understand a bit
Well,
of Spanish.
Speaks a little Spanish, I guess. English.
When I was there to the cast to scan all this, the machine from there, the cast there where I scan, makes something problem. I don't know why.
So where's the money?
Which? Sorry?
Howdy, where's the money?
¿Dónde está el dinero?
For what?
Para pagar esas cosas.
No, I say the machine.
Pero si no procesó,
Sí, no
dice que
procesó.
fueron $47 porque solamente pagaste los $47 y te fuiste. En vez de preguntar allí por qué no estaba escaneando.
Because there's all the stuff from there, the coke and all the stuff from there.
Sí, pero el electric razor, la máquina de café, todo eso.
We forget for
We'll both see.
They were both over there, yeah. I'll show
Well,
you.
which one actually, like,
Push the card out?
yeah.
I'll show you. Hold on, sorry.
So it's one item that they didn't pay for, they didn't scan?
It's right outside.
Okay. I'm gonna run up to Deli, see what they got. Alright, so it's not just one item.
I stopped them pretty much all the way outside. I'll show you the.
If it's something for pay, so we can pay, no problem.
I think so. They were both work, but they were part of it. Yeah, because they were hand scanning in the car too. A lot of stuff inside of it wasn't being scanned at all. Sorry, I want this. So here's their transaction right here. So whatever that is was skipped already, and then you can kind of see like the overhead shot here. So all this stuff in the car wasn't scanned, and there's a huge coffee maker on the bottom that they didn't scan either. Like that right there, you set aside. So it's kind of both kind of doing a little bit of these skips right there.
How old are you, man?
Huh?
How old are you?
18.
18? And how old are you?
47.
You don't speak English?
No.
Oh. What are y'all doing?
Maybe it's a problem.
Bro, I'm watching you, not even scanning it.
We're really sorry, sir. We can't
I
pay
don't-
for this. We're really sorry, sir.
Well, then you shouldn't have done it here. You could tell them that.
I don't understand.
Yes, you do. You didn't scan this shit at all. Don't act like it wasn't working. You didn't scan it at all.
Él está diciendo que no fue que ustedes se olvidaron, él vio la cámara y ustedes no escanearon nada adentro del carrito.
We can pay for all this stuff, sir.
That's not up to me. You guys made the choice. You be my translator. Sorry.
Que eso no es la decisión de él, es ustedes fueron los que tomaron esa decisión.
No interesa que pida fuerza ni plata.
Okay? So, we'll figure that out. So,
Ahora él tiene que ver qué va a pasar porque ustedes fueron los que tomaron esa decisión.
can you ask if they're here on vacation or?
Yeah, they're here on vacation. They said they came to see some friends from St. Louis. They're here from St. Louis.
St. Louis? You ever been arrested?
No.
Just don't know why you would come here and do it.
We can pay for all the stuff, sir.
It's not up to me, buddy.
Ya eso no es decisión de él.
We forget for the machine of the coffee, the little
Sí,
machine
pero aparte de la
for the coffee.
máquina del café, como él le explicó en la cámara, hay un montón de cosas que ustedes no escanearon. Aparte de la comida y aparte de la máquina del café, hay muchas cosas. Por eso él te había dicho, hay accidentes que pasan, pero cuando ven la cámara hay muchas cosas que ustedes no escanearon. Y como él te explicó, fueron $377 que no pagaron. Y él tuvo el total de $47.
We can pay for the stuff and no come
Pero
here
ya
and
no es
start
decisión de
getting-
nosotros, como él te dijo, él lo tenía que poner en el sistema toma la decisión y ahora ellos tampoco dicen qué hacer.
You guys can have both copies, and then I'll just put a picture of the Axon.
Okay.
Porque te ha sido arrestado.
Purchased? Not purchased. You're gonna have to ask them. Just transport. They're both actively doing it. Let's just go forward.
¿Fue por lo mismo?
Why was he arrested for?
Hey. Do you have their information?
Porque
Yeah, I'm trying to run it, but yeah, we have. Son has an actual deal out of Washington
Okay.
that just has like
You know
some
what?
international deal, and then was arrested for something.
they said it's not for the same thing, but he don't know how to.
It's the same thing though. And then a passport as well.
Oh, this is from Homeland, huh?
Yeah, so I'm waiting this one. I don't know what that is, right?
Yes, you're still on the list.
Whatever. We'll just take it. Can you help transport? All right.
So we'll take one. Can you just write a statement and then just come with a second?
So, se los va a llevar.
¿Cómo?
Se los van a llevar. Uno se va a ir con uno de ellos y el otro se va con otro de ellos.
Okay. So, who wants to go to jail first? Stand up. Perfect. No, you sit down.
Care se duce la pușcărie prima, așa să le vezi. Care se duce la pușcărie prima, așa. Ia luat să le vezi.
That's what
So
frustrating.
we can pay for this. We pay. We have money for pay for this stuff. So.
We'll have him sit down and we'll put him in question. Alright, sit down.
Bravo's trying to figure out.
Stand up.
Go ahead. 626 160 65 2180. Okay.
I'm gonna take him real quick. I'll come back with you, grab him, and then you can use the Axon link and then statement, and then we should do one. Yeah, it's just leave it there.
So, él se va a ir contigo.
I have one idea.
Okay.
I have a picture of his ID. I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Oh yeah, to go today.
Cool.
Let me just take a picture of this.
The box on.
Для эмиграции има тоа има ние викам посредством мога се раколу калкулатор чито тајма тоа до се шо мишни булакама. Ето голям. Фатано.
Ready?
Thank you, guys.
We'll be right back.
I gotta stop you real quick.
Yeah, this is
No, I'm going to take a picture.
I think Renzo gave it to me.
This way. I don't know if you're going to understand this, but I'm going to count it for body camera purposes. And then I'll give this back to you. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200, 205, 210, 215, 220, 225, 230, 235, 240, 245, 250, 255, 260, 265, 270, 275, 280, 295, 290, 295, 300, 305, 20, 40, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 3, 05, 310, 313. $313. $313.
313.
Yep. Yes. I'm gonna put his phone and wallet on your front seats. And I have his ID or whatever that is.
Let me see. Yeah, we'll get that.
Do you want to take this video?
Yeah, I'll take it. That's fine. This is his stuff?
This is his identification, I guess. So it's like an international license or something, and
Right.
for coffee. And then they have a picture of like
Yeah.
the arrest of date or whatever that was.
Alright. Yep,
Name,
that's it.
statement.
That's it. And I'll see you at the jail. Thank you, man. That might be his stuff, but
If you enjoy real, unfiltered body cam footage, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and consider becoming a member for early access to all our videos.